Good morning, good evening, everyone, and I hope you all had a good weekend. Welcome to yet another session of the Kaleidoscope series, Akhila's and My Dream Project. Our speaker today is Shri Umesh Bhatt, who also happens to be my father-in-law. He was born and raised in the small town of Manjeshwar in Kerala and currently resides in Banshankari, Bangalore. He is a mechanical engineer from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, popularly known as NITK, in Surathkal. He worked in Bombay for a year after graduating, then at Bhilai Steel Plant, and eventually Mecon Limited. Mecon stands for Metallurgical and Engineering Consultants. He was associated with the design and execution of many prestigious projects in steel, general engineering, and defense. He retired as a deputy general manager and continues to do engineering consulting. He has actively participated in several cultural events throughout his life, like drama, plays, music events, and is part of multiple social groups, like the Resident Welfare Association and NITK Alumni Association. He is also the president of the Ex-Meconians Association and is also the founder and president of the Mecon Communication Club, the first Toastmasters International Club in a public sector company. As a fellow member of the Toastmasters Club, I am proud to share that he was recently awarded the coveted Distinguished Toastmaster and a Triple Crown Award. He learned Hindustani classical vocal from several gurus in Bhilai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore, and shares with pride that he was a disciple of Pandit Sheshadri Gawai. He plays the harmonium and the keyboard, and in his own words, graduated from being a bathroom singer to sing for public during the lockdown period. His wife Uma and he have 2 children and a grandson. The topic that he has chosen today is music appreciation. Mom, the stage is all yours. Over to you.
Thank you, Mridula. As is the custom, I think we'll start with a short prayer song. So let me. And once again, thank you, Mudra, for that wonderful introduction. I don't know how my song came out. We tried in the beginning where Akhila tried. Mudra, Akhila, you can respond. Has it been suffered further or what exactly has happened? The sound and keyboard, and that is important for me so that you can unmute and tell. Akhila.
Yeah. So actually the voice is kind of fading out and coming back in. I don't know if the mic is a little far off and that's what is causing it, or I'm not sure what is. Because when we tried
complete mic and try korchva. I will put external mic and go to the computer mic. Let us see how it comes about.
Right now when you're speaking, it is actually perfect.
I was just going to...
I think it vibrates or something, I think. Vibrating की म्हणीस म्हाका.
नाही तुम्ही माईक ना अशी तुम्ही बरी पद सांगात पळय. I mean music ना अशी बरी माईक बरी पद सांगात.
आत कशा आता?
ना ती फेड जातस.
ना फेड जातस वॉल्यूम भायरी भितरी म्हळ्यार एकपटी आयकता म्हणजे ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ No, same problem. So it's not, I don't think it's a problem with the mic then, because mic antu same problem with sir. This also is the same.
I think I'll use mic only.
So yeah, let's use the mic.
We have to live with that.
Yeah.
My music as I intended it to be a.
तुमगेल Zoom video, Zoom window री म्यूट म्हणून बटन असपळ त्याच्या नेक्स्ट तो एक एरो अप एरो असपळ सान अप एरो
कंचा
ते झूम विंडो तो म्यूट स्टॉप व्हिडिओ म्हणून तुमका दिसतस ना तुमका लेफ्ट दाखवून सकल
नाही स्टॉप व्हिडिओ असं म्यूट असा
हां ते म्यूट बगले एक सान एक एरो असपळ
वय वय थंय कसा असा मायक्रोफोन रे
हां मायक्रोफोन अरे सिलेक्ट झाला वे
सिलेक्ट स्पीकर
सिलेक्ट मायक्रोफोन म्हणून असपळा तंतु दोन तीन ऑप्शन दिसच्या पूर्ण तुमका
वय वय
कसं दिसतं सर
सिलेक्ट मायक्रोफोन अरे रिलायबल हाई डेफिनिशन ऑडिओ
ओके
फेमस सिस्टम आणि का सिलेक्ट स्पीकर
नाही सिलेक्ट स्पीकर ना
मायक्रोफोन अरे
हां कंची सिलेक्ट
हाई डेफिनिशन अच्छा त्या हाऊ टू सिलेक्ट स्पीकर नो
Wait, no. Select a microphone, ami korka. So
select a microphone, manasa. Microphone array, public real tech high definition audio.
Such button tick mark asa, ma'am.
Wait, tan tick asa.
Tick asa. Okay. Any kasan option asa?
Select a speaker. Speaker headphone. That is as.
Okay. Then I think it is fine. So I don't know if there's any other thing that we can.
Okay.
Check. So I think.
Anyway, now you can hear me now.
Yes, definitely. Very.
Achha, my voice is okay. Only the music is not coming.
Yes.
I think we have to live with that. Let us see what we can best do.
Yeah.
तुम्ही बरी पद म्हणत मामा. Without the music, बरी पद म्हणत. I think that will have a much better impact than with the music.
नहीं,
music off
the idea there is, I have to explain certain things. So anyway, let me try. See how best
let's go with the flow and see how it works.
That is the only thing.
Sure.
So anyway, thank you, Mridula, for that wonderful introduction. Correct. Only thing, 1 or 2 points I would like to clarify. I am not, sage on a stage, giving gyan on so many things and all that, because I am just like any one of you. And my learning of music also is in fits and starts. But I am not, the thing is, as Mridula rightly said, I am one person who has graduated from being a bathroom singer for the last 70 years and come on stage. All the time I was having the complex that my voice is not suitable, because I sing at a very, very low pitch compared to every Paimam, Murli Mam and all that, or even our Kishore, what is sitting here. And put a black one, black tour singer. I sing in black 5 or 6, which is generally ladies sing and all that. So I was not singing at all because of that. though I studied about music, but I never even practiced even for a few minutes at home because I was having that complex. Until very recently, I heard during Corona times, I had happened to listen to a music program by concert by Jagjit Singh. Jagjit Singh has such a low voice. He sang at G5, G sharp, that is almost same as what I sing. So I thought that for a particular concert, normally sings in AFCC, but he sang at G5. So I thought, Jagjit Singh can sing and people can appreciate it also. It was a concert attended by some great personalities from Filmdom. So I thought, then I discussed, my sister-in-law and Jayashri is there. Jayashri, she's from Tirthalli. She told me that your voice is very low, but what is important is the range. As long as the range is okay, it's okay. So then I thought in COVID times, I started singing, recording some songs and all, and people reasonably liked it. Okay, sings well more. So that's how I came. I tell everybody that literally came out of the closet. So whatever it is. So now let's get back to the system. The subject of my talk is, let me share the screen right now. So my topic for the day is music appreciation. Abi sanas tandono music namna music mai ko nodala che bhajana bhavagita banga pop music. As we grow up, some Western music also we heard. We learned Hindustani, we heard Carnatic classical, all the things we are listening, and we are appreciating all sorts of things. Montana, you may be surprised why there should be again a session on music appreciation. It's a doubt which comes to anyone. So and your doubt is very much valid. The reason Kasamalari, music appreciation is very native to mankind. Everybody appreciates music. Except maybe animals, I don't know, even animals appreciate. In fact, Bhartrahari Niti Shatakasa, Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihina, साक्षात पशु पुच्छ विषाण हीनम म्हणारे म्युझिक अप्रिशिएट करणं ते लोक मनीषू प्राणी पशी कड आहे म्हणून. That's what he said. But actually, that also I don't agree. The animals also do appreciate music. Krishna Bansuri Battana Purai, Goi Purai, they were all listening with the rapt attention. Mantra Mugdazan Aikata. You must have heard it. So similarly, recently WhatsApp forward in German zoo Munich because animals also got bored because of the COVID. Nobody visits the zoos, so they were feeling very much lonely. So this one gentleman took his piano and went in front of every cage and started playing piano for the entertainment of animals. Tiger, giraffe, chimpanzee, gorilla, tiger, lion, and he was and he put the photographs of it, how animals appreciate music. So music, animals also appreciate, but music is not generally appreciated by those who do not have finer sentiments in themselves. Darodekora, murderers, dacoits, they may not appreciate. Finer sentiments now. Music is the finest of the fine arts. So everybody, the normal person appreciates, except. That's why even William Shakespeare has told, the man that has not got music in him and is not moved by the concord of sweet song is fit for treason, stratagem, and spoils. But music appreciate but we don't fall in that. We all fall in the majority of people who appreciate music. So once we say everybody appreciates music, so what is my point in telling of music appreciation? Major question Kasamlari, music, how I appreciate karta, to me appreciate karta chi, some expert who has learned music, like Hindustani, Bhimsen Joshi Astabra, Parveen Sultanov, Hari Prasad Charasi Aso, Ewa Ekai music Shikile Pandit Astabra. Tani appreciate karta, nami appreciate karta kasane farak na hai. Definitely it is there. Everybody appreciates music at their own level of understanding, inclination, interest, and their knowledge. So, Miguel hypothesis. This is you won't find it in Google and all that. The Miguel hypothesis or my proposition as far as music appreciation is concerned. What I tell that music is appreciated by different people at different levels, and it can be appreciated at 4 levels. Like argument: physical, emotional, intellectual, spiritual. First, lowest level physical appreciation. Physical appreciation म्हणजे खंयचेय पद आमी आयकताचे, छंदशील म्युझिक आयकताचे सोडताचे. So pop music, classical, bhajana, abhanga, whatever it is. आमकां तें आयकूचा लायक दिसता. Even many times music has got two things. म्हणजे एक rhythm म्हणून आसता, तबला आसता, एक music म्हणून आसता. Somehow we like it, somehow we आयकताचे. एक दुसरा आमी विसरताचे. Even in a very low level, we don't understand the background of that. We don't appreciate anything, how the music has been composed. कसं ना. Appreciating music at the lowest level, that is physical level. Second level is emotional level. There is a higher level of emotional level. Basically, music has been defined the world over as something which you use for expressing your emotions, your inner feelings. Music a definition of the. But India, it has got taken a different dimension. Amgel Rishi Muni in Purai research kala vishanto music avisha. Kashmiri music anto bar swar someone gotas. I will come to that later because that is a subject of talk. Bar swar, sorry. Sani daba magani. Computer re doni race asa komalani yamono. Is thus the komalani tiurmo. Extra study prakara. रे कोमल आणि ध कोमल असं म्हणून झालं रे त्या एक नमुन्याचे सॅडनेस मेलंकली पुरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता एक नमुना दॅट इज व्हॉट दे फाउंड आउट बाय एक्सपेरिमेंट्स सो खंयचे मेलंकली जाव का असं जाव का म्हणून झालं रे त्यांनी आजी रे द यूज केलं जात फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक राग असा भैरव म्हणता आम्ही ऐकायचं तुमका ऐकणे ऐकत बा ऐकत घे How is that? Can you hear?
Wait, तुमगेल voice आणि music ಒಟ್ಟು ವೈಲಾರಿ ಫೇಡ್ ಜತ್ ಮಮ್ಮ तुमगेल voice ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಲಾಯ್ಕ್ ಐಕತ
Kanchi sangache. Everybody can guess that from which song is this? This is from
मुझे भूल गए सावरिया भूल गए सावरिया
Baiju Bawaraj song. Kanchi that scene kasar Meena Kumari sitting pining for a lover is a sad melancholy song. So sorry. Melancholy आता आज कितीला भैरव यूज करतात तशी भैरवी तशी असा भैरवी सारी जगा छोड़ गए बन आय अकेला तुमका ऐकलं ना
ऐकता
या भैरवी सारे गम पदनीचा पुराय कोमल तुम्ही रे आणि द कोमल असा रे द कोमल ताका मेलंकली नमुना इमोशन तशींचे वडल्या स्वर कंच स्वर घाला रे कस्टम नमुन्याचे इमोशन डेव्हलप जाता म्हणून स्टडी करून घालता तशें जावन म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर से पूरा पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस आका पर्टिकुलर राग यूज करता है. That is the emotional dimension of music. That is the second level of appreciation of music. We appreciate an emotional level. Third level of appreciation is intellectual level. Intellectual level is राग मलक सला वादी मलक सा समाधि मलक सना कश राग तो इलाबरेट करता ख्याल मलक ठुमरी कश म्हणतो कशी त्याचे अलंकार कशी यूज करता रागा कशी तो एक्सप्लेन करता how we analyzes or how we interprets a raga, that when you appreciate at intellectual level, that is called intellectual appreciation. Actually, that is the subject of my talk essentially, how to develop that kind of music, sense of music, to understand the basics of music so that you can appreciate music at an intellectual level, appreciating it. Now, but before I take up that in detail, let me conclude what we started with regarding the 4 levels of appreciation: physical, emotional, intellectual, and the last is the spiritual appreciation. Spiritual appreciation, spiritual appreciation, that is how our Indian music started in the first place. India, Hindustani music, Carnatic music, whatever, our Indian music started during music started Veda Kala, Vedic period, Rig Veda, Samveda. Samveda is the first fundamental of our music. Music based on Samveda, Raymond Sankachi. As the Matiniswara Shilachi, Udatta, Anudatta, and Swarit Mantashile. The Kasargati Malari, Chadan Rishimuni, actually the Rishimuni, they were also scientists. Basically, they are scientists, they were doing research. What they were doing, they realized that they found out about music, and they realized that music has got the tremendous capacity to concentrate mind. Mind concentrate a tremendous capacity of music. So they thought that this can be used as a vehicle or as an instrument for realizing the inner soul, or realizing the higher potential, understanding the or Parameshwara Aradhan Korchak use Korchak to realize ourselves. Main we are all universe, universal consciousness. In the spiritual level, a person who tries to understand himself and tries to explore himself and merge his individual soul with the universal soul. That is the essence of spirituality. We are part of the universe. We are only just part. In fact, Hindu philosophy also is based on that concept only. Ultimately, Parameshwara is a big, there's a consciousness with which we are microcosm part of it. Spiritual appreciation of music, we are using the music as an instrument for realizing ourselves and attaining that spiritual bliss. That there is a spiritual level of appreciation of music. So, interestingly, physical to emotional to intellectual to spiritual is a gradation where we evolve ourselves to a higher level. But interestingly, India it started in the opposite direction. Music as we understand today for entertainment was not known. Music was only used as an instrument for the spiritual attainment. That is how music started with Rigveda and Samveda. And later, Samveda, the first Upanishad, the Chandogya Upanishad, the music. So that it has come from reverse. But they knew about the entertainment value of music also. But they separated it out. The first Margi Sandesh Sangeet for spiritual attainment. And other for entertainment purpose, they called it as Deshi Sangeet. Attaji Polochi Sangeet Kanchaski, temporary Deshi Sangeet, based on what entertainment, largely on the entertainment value of the music. So now let us come back to how music originated. What is the music Malari Kasana? How music is started. That we'll try to understand. This now, yeah, you can see the.
Why, Mama?
everyone knows that music is produced by sound. It is nothing but organized sound. What produces sound? Question. The first I'm going to slightly on a mathematical, physics, such as physics of music, some basic, whether you know it, some may not understand to that extent, but physics students will immediately approach. Music is produced by sound, and sound is produced by vibration. Tanpura string vibrate calorie, that because what happens is it goes up and down like this, and that shakes the creates waves. That wave, they say, is in the form of a simple harmonic motion. It is like this. It has got two properties. One is the frequency and amplitude. Frequency malari yak second akitli atiyam. Yeah, this is one wave. Atom calorie. This is per. This per malari, the sound vibrates at 220 cycles per second. 240 cycles. 240 malari. This sort of waves, there will be 240 waves in a second. When we sing also, the same 240, our vocal cords vibrate at that stage, and 240 cycles per second produce karta sound. So that is the frequency. So frequency malari at ya vairgal tashi high is sataka, it goes to higher frequency. Taka was voice level vairo chaka signs the frequency mancha. Antuje अनेक y coordinate on कशा म्हळ्यारी amplitude म्हळ्यार त्याचे loudness आता होडान म्हळ्यारी अशी होडान येता सान हळू म्हळ्यार हळूच स म्हळ्यार स दोन्हीचे फ्रिक्वेन्सी एकाची जाल्यार amplitude मात्र उणे जोर म्हणटा पदा म्हण सांगता जोर म्हळ्यार स म्हणटा देन होड येता त्यांचे स स म्हणटा अशी आयला सान that is a loudness. So music has got mainly two properties. One is frequency, which produces saregama padanisa, then frequency, various frequencies produce करते हैं. Higher frequency जैसे third frequency जाता होता 200 पतो 300 400 500 तक जाता होता. या loudness आता. आता main question कसा म्हणाली आमका where hundreds of people, millions of people are there. आम्ही 4 जणांना पद म्हणाले कोणी पद म्हणाले कशी म्हणून कळता. आता कोण आम्ही पद म्हणाले तर प म्हणून आम्ही 4 जणांना पद म्हणाले of the same loudness, everybody's curve will be like this only, identical. Then how do you distinguish my voice from your voice, or voice of sound of a sitar from a tanpura? Though all them produce the same sound, same frequency, everything same, even then you can distinguish. There is a special feature, sound achasa. There is called the third feature of sound. That is called timbre. It is written as timbre, but it's pronounced as timbre. It's a French word. India music rishin tak naam dila jati ek lakshana, मतलब sound एक लक्षणा sound. त्या आम्यल पद हा म्हणकी तू म्हणकी म्हणून आता हा म्हणच्या पै मामा म्हणताना you can immediately guess he is singing or rap. Same with speech also. Same with instrument also. या म्हणाली हार्मोनिक्स म्हणून प्रोड्यूस करता. हार्मोनिक्स म्हणजे मल्टिपल फ्रिक्वेन्सीज येतात. या 240 फ्रिक्वेन्सीज म्हणताला रे. या पुढे सन वेव्स 480, 840, multiples of frequencies are produced there at various pitches, pitches and various amplitudes. This is very unique to every human being or every instrument, animate, inanimate, everything. So brain can easily analyze based on this combination of this timbre and this amplitude and frequency that this fellow is speaking. This music is coming from here. Identify करता है. So that is how music is deciphered. अच्छा मैं next talk होचा. माक already सोल्व तावड पडसा सुरू झाला. I think I speak too loud. I think anyway it's all right. I don't know how I'm going to sing anyway. आता मेन कसं म्हणाले आमचं म्युझिक बेस्ड आमचं कशी साऊंड प्रोड्यूस करतो म्हणून कळलं. साऊंडाचे फंडामेंटल स्वर म्हळ्यार कसं नाही सप्तक म्हळ्यार कसं नाही म्हणून ताका आमी गेल्यार या कळला एक मिनिट आता आमगेले हार्मोनियम सहन करता एक आता या ओया बदला रे स म्हण पुढे जना तुम्ही मोचना हार्मोनियम आणि पळून गोत असा आता सारे गमा पदानी स म्हण आम्ही अंग दोन यूज करताचे 7 स्वर या 240 फ्रिक्वेन्सी झाला रे आता दाखल फ्रिक्वेन्सीज पडा 240 वेव्स 240 सायकल्स पर सेकंड त्यांचे हायर सारे गमा पदानी सा म्हणताना हंग 480 डबल सकल जमकला रे 120 जाता so this particular thing was developed independently, whether in Indian music or Western music or Japanese, Chinese, there's independently explored and found out. That's why it is called the basic miracle of music. Sagle amgal music, whether it is Indian or Western or whichever kind of music, it is based on this concept of saptak or octave, or what is this is a basic miracle. The sound, at concha frequency after an interval, the frequency becomes double. The interval between this one frequency and other frequency, they call it as an octave or a saptak. This is the basis of music. The concha music is same asta. Then Rishin kasa kalmare, amgala music sodun kas kalmare, ya frequency madyanto, at 240 and 480 madyanto. Then study kono. And 22, so many frequencies, there are 240 and 480, 240 frequencies. They selected some 22 frequencies, which they saw can be easily identified and deciphered and put it, which can be used for music. Taka Shruti is Mantachi. This is the fundamental of Indian music. 22 Shrutis. Shruti Malari, Shruyate iti Shruti, Malari kan nakasan correct needs an Aikaki, Tanch Shruti Mantachi. 22 Shrutis. Yanta Yangata Kun Hangatai, Ipata Shruti Asilis. Ipata Shruti Asila, and Kasakatamalaji, between those Shrutis, and selected the Sat Swar select corno. Sare Gama Padani Monsantachi. Atia Sa Yare Hang Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. Sat Swara. This is the fundamental basic swara among Kaltani. Now this Sat Swar and ya Sat Swara Madyanto Tantul Sa and Pa Amgala Sa. Atamikana music start Katan Purajan Mata. Pa Sa Mata Kasala Mantachi. Sa Malay, the fixed notation. The Shruti is fixed. 240 cycle mandala 240. Ya Pa fixed frequency. Vadla Taka Achal Swar Mata Mata Halananta. Podcast बदल स्वर पर वेरिएशन असा रे ग म ध नि का दोन स्वर रे तो रे शुद्ध म्हणताची रे कोमल म्हणताची ग शुद्ध ग कोमल म शुद्ध म तीव्र ध शुद्ध द कोमल नि शुद्ध नि कोमल तशी दोन्ही एक अक्षर सो 7 + 5 12 सोर्स म्युझिक असते इंडियन असो वेस्टर्न असो कर्नाटक असो हिंदुस्तानी असो यांचे 12 स्वर असायचे पुराजन 7 स्वर म्हणू लागतात ऍक्च्युअली इट इज नॉट 7 स्वर्स म्युझिक अंदाजचे 12 स्वर सा दोन्ही रे दोन्ही ग दोन्ही म दोन्ही ध दोन्ही नि आणि एक सा आणि एक प टोटली 12 स्वरास त्या अंग एक्सप्लेन केला त्या यू कॅन सी दिस हियर सो this is called the basic miracle of music. Ata, let us come to आमगेला हिंदुस्तानी म्युझिक आणि इंडियन म्युझिक आम्ही 3 सप्तक आम्ही यूज करतात की नाही एक मंद फर्स्ट 120 to 240 120 240 and 480 have written as a representative figure आमगेलंतो आमकने वेस्टर्न म्युझिक मेन फरक असं म्हणाले तांगेला सी एबीसीडी तांगेला एबीसीडी एफ जी म्हणून तांगेला nomenclature. Incidentally, the Saregama Padanisa is common for all the three. Ata Saregama Padanisa do re mi fa sol la si. Same. It's identical to our Saregama Padani. Do re mi fa sa. Tang nita rename konta C D E F G A B म्हणून सांगला तिथे. C म्हणजे सा, do, म्हणजे रे तशी do re mi fa la si. 7 स्वर. आम्ही सारेगमा पदानी कर्नाटकांत lower. I mean, रे रो कोमल म्हणतात, but it's a question of nomenclature. Otherwise, the same 12 words are used whether it's in Karnataka or Hindustani. कर्नाटकांत म्युझिक मात्र एक स्पेशलिटी कसं म्हणणार एक वया 2 स्वराक 2 नावाना पैताची त्याच्यावर सर्व जनता 16 स्वर म्हणतात. म्हणजे 16 स्वर तर गण तो दोन्ही रेच बदल 3 रे असं 3 रे म्हणणारे डिपेंडिंग ऑन द राग. कंची रे शिलाक ग म्हणून म्हणायचे, ग शिलाक रे म्हणायचे. दिट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द मीटिंग सर्टन ग्रामॅटिकल रिक्वायरमेंट्स. अदरवाइज द स्वर्स आर सेम 12 स्वर सारेगम पदानिसा प्लस 5. that is all is used in the all the three. ना मात्र आता वेस्टर्न आता सी या सी म्हणतात हाका सी शार्प म्हणताची एका डी फ्लॅट म्हणताची सेम स्वर. but sometimes they call it D flat, sometimes they call it C sharp. Flat and sharp म्हणजे higher one, D म्हणजे flatter, flatter म्हणजे smaller one. So this is what is the as far as the scales are concerned. आता या आमगेला कर्नाटक आणि हिंदुस्थानी कंपॅरिझन सा सा म्हणतात तांगेलंत आणि आमगेला फरक कसं म्हणारी तांगेल सा कर्नाटक हिंदुस्थानी सा सा दोन्ही काही आमगेला कोमल रे कदानी शुद्ध रे म्हणतात. आमगेला शुद्ध रे कदानी शुद्ध ग और चतुश्रुती से रे हांव सांगिल म्हणक्या एका कोणता खंयची की काच प्रकार सांगतात. तशी कोमल ग असल्या साधारण ग म्हणता एक श्रुती रे म्हणाल्याची डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिच्युएशन. त्या कसं राहील म्हणाले I don't know whether can anyone answer me. कोणी कर्नाटक म्युझिशियन्स असावा. Somebody has learned Carnatic music. Anybody? Nobody. Hindustani, anybody has learned? Western? Jyoti, you can unmute yourself and tell.
No, Mama, we all are only bathroom singers, I think so.
Yeah, bathroom. I am also a bathroom singer, but I have theoretically I have learned quite a bit because of my interest in music. So, yeah,
I was just trying to go back to the Sound of Music movie to get the Western quotes.
Let me go to the next. Yeah. या तमगेला 3 याव कंपेअर करता हिंदुस्थानी म्युझिक कर्नाटक म्युझिक आणि वेस्टर्न म्युझिक तिन्ही काही सप्तक अंग हिंदुस्थानी म्युझिक 7 स्वर सप्तक म्हणजे सप्तक वेस्टर्न ऑक्टेव्ह म्हणजे ऍक्च्युअली ऑक्टेव्ह म्हणजे 8 सप्तक म्हणजे 7. so you may be confused why it is one which is called octave another called सप्तक. आमगेला कन्सिडर कसं म्हणजे 7 स्वर असते सारे ग म प ध नि. सो त्या तिकून सप्तक 7 म्हणून जाल्यार कसं जाता म्हळ्यार सप्तक इज इनकम्प्लीट अनलेस यू गो टू द नेक्स्ट लेवलाचे स संकल्प कंप्लीट जायना. त्या आमी सा रे ग म प ध नि सा म्हणटाचे त्या स खंयचे नेक्स्ट ऑक्टेवाची 7 येता स येता तार सप्तकाची स येता. वेस्टर्न अंतांनी ते ऍड करून ऑक्टेव म्हणचे विच इज बोथ वे इज करेक्ट. इज ओनली क्वेश्चन ऑफ नॉमेनक्लेचर. सो दॅट्स हाव इट इज. आमगेलांतू 22 श्रुती असते कर्नाटक and Hindustani. The origin is same for Karnataka and Hindustani. Western and Shruti concept na. They have got only 12 swaras. Some umbrella swara 12. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5. Tinni kai same asche. Ata this is the basic. Ata based on these swaras and this octave, ultimately you're performing a music. Kasan taka Hindustani and Karnataka tami rag म्हणतात. अंत भितरी स्केल म्हणतात. हिंदुस्थानी तो स्केल अंत वेस्टर्न स्केल म्हणजे इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी अप्रॉक्सिमेशन ऑफ रागा म्हळ्यार ताका न्ही आमकां रागा कंपेर करूंक ना. रागा इज अ फार सोफिस्टिकेटेड एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स फिनॉमिनन. स्केल म्हळ्यार जस्ट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नोट्स. आता हांव जस्ट हे सांगता एक अंतू दाखयता तुमकां. सा रे ग म प ध नि सा नि द प ग रे. हे आमगेलो फंडामेंटल राग म्हणटा ताका. ताका बिलावल म्हणजे. आता बिलावल रागार ऐकयना गो तांकां. काय प्रॉब्लेम. आता सा रे ग म प ध नि सा ह्या बिलावल जाल्यार येताना हांगा तुमी तर आता एक या चेंज केला वो नी या शब्द शुद्ध आसा ताचे बरोबर एक चेंज केला जाता कशी राग चेंज जाता म्हळ्यार आमकां अर्थ करूंक जाता. सा रे ग म प ध नि सा. कसं केला हांगा नी या यूज करत बदला या यूज केला. सगळे रागू चेंज जालो. सा रे ग म प ध नि सा बिलावल. सा नि द प म ग रे सा. हंग नी कोमल केल जाता का. सा रे ग म प ध नि सा सा नि द प म ग ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಧನ್ಯನಾದೆನೋ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಧನ್ಯನಾದೆನೋ ಸಾನಿದ ಪ ಮಗರೆ सा. तुमका the idea of my telling you this is next time when you hear some song तुका नी कोमल असला कळत जाता या खमा स्टार्ट. this is the based on that. खमा ताटावरी मस्त नमुने राग असताचे. तशी बिलावल ताटावरी मस्त नमुने राग असताचे. तशी आता नेक्स्ट नी जाल्ले ताजे बदला विंगड गावता म एक आता सारे ग म सारे ग म सारे ग म म्हण आशिल्लें ताजे बदला म हांव तीव्र घालता म्हळ्यार एक हायर. सा रे ग म प ध नि सा सा नि द प म ग रे सा. कशी तू म तीव्र केल जाता एक स्वर वरलेल पुरा शुद्ध आसा पुरा बिलावला म्हणकेचे म तीव्र केल जाता कंप्लीट चेंज जाला. प्रथम तुला वंदितो कपाळा गजानना गणराया धनी सा सानि द प म ग रे सा यमन म्हणतात हे एक थाट. आता हमाद जाल्यार बिलावल जाल्यार यमन जाल्यार आता काफी सा रे ग म प द नि सा सा नि ध प म ग रे. आता सा सा रे ग म प द नि सा सा नि द प म ग रे. आता ग कोमल केल्या नी कोमल केल्या बदल पुरा पुढे आपण केलं बदलय केलं तर रागू चेंज झाला कसं तका काफी राग म्हणाले सा रे ग सा रे रे ग म प द नि सा सा नि द प म ग रे. काहे कोई मोरे श्याम काहे छोड़ मोरे श्याम बहुत सचिन कर तुम सब सुने तो पागुरी तुम्हें योगी नारी श्याम काहे श्याम सानि द प म ग रे सानि द प म ग रे सा रे सा रे ग ग ग म प प. प्रत्येक एक सिग्नेचर मस्त रागाका काफी जावं रे सा सा रे रे ग ग म म म्हणतात तर काफी म्हण कळतं सा सा रे 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 ग ग ग म प प. बंदिश करता नाही आणि त्याची प्रकार सेट कोण करताचे सा सा न न द सुने तो पावगी सा सा न न द सुने तो पावगी सा 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 रे 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 ग ग ग म प प. हे बंदिशारी तो काफी. आता सेम स्वरारी काफीन तो राग असायचे नमनमने राग असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल काफी चुले स्वर हांव यूज केला जाल्यार ताचे चलन चेंज जाता. चलन कशें म्हळ्यार रागाचे आमगेले हिंदुस्तानी रागाचे स्पेशल हिट कसं म्हळ्यार रागाचे स्वर मात्र नाही स्वरा खंयचे स्वराक कितली इम्पॉर्टन्स दिता खंयचे स्वर इम्पॉर्टंट खंयचे स्वर सुरय घेता खंयचे नामागीर घेता आणि कशी ताची चलन म्हळ्यार गेट म्हळ्यार हाऊ वी गो फ्रॉम अप्पर रजिस्टर टू लोअर रजिस्टर कशी तो मूव जाता म्हळ्यार. आता सेम काफी सानी द प म ग रे सा वैरोताना विंगर स्टाईल कुठलं तुमका गोते सगळे मस्त आमगेले भावगीत अभंग आणतो मोस्ट कॉमन फिल्म म्युझिक आणतोय भारी कॉमन राग हो भीम पलास म्हणतात कर्नाटकांतू भीम पलास म्हणतात हिंदुस्थानीतू भीम पलास म्हणतात कर्नाटक हावेरी म्हणतात का ते sa ga ma pa ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa देवाची आळंदी लागली समाजे ज्ञानेशाची हो हरि भजन मारू निरंतरा हरि भजन मारू we should be able to identify how it is. कर्नाटक आमची तशीची फिल्म म्युझिक आणि तो बारी पॉप्युलर आहे. आता A.R. रहमान वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉप्युलर या डिम्पल असं यूज करतात मोस्ट ऑफ तन्हा तन्हा यहाँ पे जीना ये कोई बात है तन्हा तन्हा यहाँ पे जीना ये कोई बात है डिम्पल इमिडिएटली तुमका डिम्पल आज काही ऐकायचं फिल्म म्युझिक जावा क्लासिकल जावा भजन असो तुमची इमिडिएटली तुमका एबल टू आयडेंटिफाय दॅट तुम चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तुम चीज बड़ी है मस्त सागा मामा सागा रे सा डिम्पल आता इंडिया मात आता सगळं आमगेले राग असला म्हणजे वेस्टर्न आणतो स्केल म्हणून असता म्हणून स्केल इज नियरेस्ट इक्वलंट तांगेले स्केल आणतो बिंपल असा इक्वलंट असा ताका ब्लूस स्केल म्हणटाची I think some of you are heard Western music and all that. You must have heard the name of Ed Sheeran now I suppose. I am in love with the shape of you. I am in love with the shape of you. Ed Sheeran popular pop music. Bimpelas आणि ताका blues scale म्हणटाचे. But that is nowhere equivalent to Bimpelas. मला Bimpelas आमगेला स्टाईल विंगड आम्ही Bimpelas राग इलाबरेट करताना एक म्हणाच्या मनात एक म्हणा आलाद कसं म्हणा फिलिंग आमगेले हिंदुस्थानी कर्नाटक रागाचे स्पेशलिस्ट कसं म्हणाले तर राग आला पण कशी नमुने यूज करताचे ताका कसे अलंकार यूज करताचे अलंकार म्हणाले प्रत्येक स्वराक एक अलंकार आता एक स्वरातून आन एक स्वरा वताना मी वेस्टर्न कशी म्हणाली एक जब 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 एक स्वर होता कसं नाही आता म्हणतात नि सा ग म प नि सा स्वर होताची बिंपलास सा नि द प म ग र सा त्याला राग करताना कसं करता म्हणा मी राग आला पण कसं करता म्हणा अलंकार दिसता प्रति स्वराक एक म्हणायचे ताका अलंकार म्हणा ताका ग्लायडिंग ग म प नि सा सा ग सा सानिदप म्हणा सानिदप म्हणतो गमक म्हणतात म्हणजे एक स्वर म्हणताना त्याची फुल्ली स्वर नेक्स्ट स्वर एंड लाईड करचे आसा these are all specialties of music. This is what we learn in music. And we appreciate as the technical level. That is what is the technical appreciation. So this we need to understand. Next time we can take Akwacha. At the same Kafi Ragacha, same song. Sani da Kamagare. Same swar use करनो चिक्के चेंज म्हणजे वतन स्टाईल विंगड यतन स्टाईल विंगड सेम स्वरो सारे गम पदनिसा काफी चेंज सा शुद्ध रे कोमल का शुद्ध म शुद्ध प प शुद्ध ध कोमल नी सा सा नी ध प म ग रे सा हम कश यूज करता है रे ग म व गम ध नि सा भाग्यश्री म्हणतात भाग्यश्री राग इस काफी थाटाच राग तुम्हाला सेम स्वर यूज करता हूं सारेगामा पधनी सत्ता काफी साच्या सारेगामा पधनी सात स्वर जाल्यार त्या मनची स्टाईल ताका चलन विक विकृत चलन म्हणटात विकृत चलन म्हळ्यार स्ट्रेट चलन न्हय सानी द म प द सानी द प म म्हणा सानी द प म म्हणटा काफी जाला सानी द म प द पूर्ण भाग्यश्री म्हणून तुमका आयडिया कथा हांव ते आलाप तशें काडटना ಬಾಗಿಲೊಳು ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಾಯ Sopas big parasawa chachi kasi to see how you differ from a same swaro just because of the challenge how you find a rag is different. Gama gani sa gani sa gani sa gani da gama gani Dasharatha Dasharatha Ayasanana Ayasanana Dasharatha Dasharatha Ayasanana Ayasanana Sanidana Magirolo dai mogido Bhagyashri Sanida Matada Managana Sanida Ekka rago ekka swaraji Hindustani प्रत्येक कर्नाटकांचो तशेंची how the rags differ how it gives a different dimension, different concept. This is what we need to understand and appreciate. Yeah, raga's fundamental shikl mandalari, we will be able to appreciate it to that extent. The very idea of that, at the same swar anto ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ change kartadava, todi manta. या शुद्ध म्हणतो या यूज करतात सा थोडी म्हणतात जस्ट एक स्वर एकाकडे केलं ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟದು ಮನವಿಲ್ಲ Bhairava me already padela, one of the thoughts. Same Bhairav Swara. One thing I want you to notice, what I was playing with all along, I was playing with only these 12 swaras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 swaras I select at least 5 or 6 or 7. आता 5 स्वर यूज केल्यारी ताका अवडव म्हणटाची, 6 स्वर यूज केल्यारी शाडव म्हणटाची, 7 स्वर केल्यार संपूर्ण म्हणटाची. त्या आरोहांत अवरोहांत चेंज जाता. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ आरोहांत 5 अवरोहांत 6 असता, आरोहांत 5 अवरोहांत 7 असता. फॉर एग्जांपल भीमपलास तो वतन या रीयूज करता. अवडव संपूर्ण, यत्न संपूर्ण, वतन पंच यूज करता. त्यांचे मोहन और भूप असा. अवडव अवडव 5 स्वर वतना 5 स्वर येतना अवडव अवडव म्हळ्यार 5, शाडव म्हळ्यार 6, संपूर्ण म्हळ्यार 7 स्वर. सो दिस कॅन बी दॅट. आता विंगडसन यूज करूया. आता Marwa thought, one of the 10 thoughts. आता मी पुढे 9 thought टाइम कव्हर केलाय. फायनल एक पूर्वी थॉट असो. I covered the 10 thoughts of these 10 thoughts are the fundamental of Hindustani music. Carnatic music antu same thought asas. That is 72 thought 17th century into एक वेंकटमकी म्हणाल एक मनशान 72 थॉट्स म्हण केला. ते 72 थॉट्स करचे कारण कसं म्हणत ताणें पण आमगे हिंदुस्तानी अंत कशें म्हणाली both the variations of रे or the or ग आमी एकाच वतन आमी यूज करूं जायना. either you use कोमल रे or शुद्ध रे. कोमल द शुद्ध द येताना वतन आमी चेंज करता जाल्यार वतन एका पण लागी लागी आमी यूज करूं जायना. जाल्यार ताण कसं सांगलें म्हळ्यार you can use both. They enable that. What it did was that's what I was telling you about that, how there are 3 rays and 3 gas in Karnataka because of that. Just to escape that grammar and syntax, I just got instead of calling the second ray as a G, second ray as ray, he calls it as a G. Shuddha G म्हणाला, अन्यकाक अंतर G म्हणाला, अन्यकाक सतिशुद्ध G म्हणाला, तसे. So they have a nomenclature difference. Otherwise, same bar swaras chant भितर झालेली. आता next, let us go to Kamaj Tatacha. Sajida Kamagara Sare Gamapadanisa. Instrument I can actually, I'm not able to do justice to what I had practiced. Because music I know that actually the rhythm and all I've set everything I've got together. About 20 raga this thing got lined up with all the selected tunes and all that. Unfortunately, I'm not able to play that because of our mismatch in that audio, whatever it is. So ultimately, what is important, Malari, whether it's Hindustani, Carnatic, or Western music, Amyal Pura music fundamental is same. Swaro, sounda, rago, arrangement of store. Where difference is, Hindustani, Western, Indian, we have seen all the similarities. Now, what are the dissimilarities? How Western music is different from Indian music? Main Kasamlari, Western music is supposed to be based on harmony. Ours is based on melody. Melody mala Kasamlari. These are all melodies. But a single tune I'm spending. I take a Bim Senjoshi Padman Sanglari. A particular raga to Santasa. Like a harmonium dog given Basilasta. Harmonium Bantal talk, Bim Senjosh Kasapadman ki, Tanchi Topadmanta. Same tune he sings also. This is called a melody. Everybody, Indian, everything is individualized. Western music, they are continuing of the teamwork or group work. There's done Tangal for a symphony, orchestra, for a Tangal specialization. Even where there is a solo performances in Western, it is based on harmony. They use what are called chords. The chords, harmony kasamlari. Melody mala, I understood. One single tune we are playing, whether we are playing an accompaniment, everybody plays the same tune, beginning to end. That is melody. Harmony mala kasamlari. Two or more melodies are playing simultaneously, often of same pitch or different pitch. In Western music, like a group song dastana, some set of girls will be singing, they will be singing different tunes and different pitches. And because harmony, Kashmalari, the overall effect is very pleasant to the ear. Like harmony mantaji. So the whole Western music is based on the concept of harmony. Swara important. All the swaras are important, whether Sarigama Padanisa, Tangal Dorami Fasalate, Tangal Yakata, equal weightage for all the swaras. Amkele Swara, Prati Swara weightage Manasa. Importance, Raganteko Vadi and Samadhi Manasa. Vadi is the most important swara. Samadhi is the next most important. So Anuvadi is the remaining swaras. And if Vivadi Monaswara, which is not supposed to be used, but sometimes you use it for ornamentation. The Vivadi Mantaji. So whereas Western and Kashmiri, all the swaras have got equal weightage. But what matters in Western is simultaneously, some 2 or 3 things are playing simultaneously. Even when you play solo, I don't know whether you have heard one of the Kashitan harmony, you must have heard any symphony orchestra in Western music. Some 100 instruments will be playing. Some 5 will be playing something. Another 5 will be playing something entirely different. And one fellow will be on the third thing. But overall, body like this. That is the harmony. The conductor comes with a sophistication now. It is highly sophisticated in at places. That is why Mozart and Beethoven are so famous. Lydian, I don't know how many of you have heard the name of Lydian Nadaswaram. I think at least our American friends must have at least heard. He won $1 million in American Idol contest in last year. I think you may have heard. Lydian Nadaswaram, he won America Tane, Beethoven. Moonlight Sonata to sing karta, play karta piano. He won $1 million for that final performance. Final performance overall, he was selected as American Idol. He's an Indian. Lydian Nadaswaram Namata special. Actually, he's a young boy. After when he played in America, US, he was only some 12 or 14-year-old. Lydian Malay is one of the thoughts or modes of Western music. Just as we have got thoughts, modes as per the Greek music. One is Lydian. So his father kept his name as the Lydian and Nadaswaram combined. Indian, Western. Now, and he specialized. He has become a world figure because of that. Symphony Aikal Mundalari. It is simply electrifying and mesmerizing. Or you should go to YouTube and listen to his performances, sonatas. Amazing performance. So Western anti sophistication namonna, but their sophistication is in developing a music. Western and Indian Indian main advantage we have got what is called monodharma. It is highly creative. Everybody has got given the total freedom. Ek singer akata, most important concept is khayal. Actually, Mughals have introduced that. Khayal malari imagination. The singer is free to imagine himself, and within the grammatical boundaries of that particular 12 swaras or whatever swaras are there, he is free to explore each swara, the combination of that, and gets the essence of that. So he realizes swara kandavate values. It is called a swara brahma. Swara ka aradhan karta. The whole Indian music with both Carnatic and Hindustani celebrates the individual swara. And the way it is brought forward and how it is with all the ornamentation, how it's ups and downs, that is a melody. That's why it is called melodic music. Indian. Western antu, and they will be playing simultaneously. Even when the Lydian Nadaswaram plays piano, Moonlight Sonata in the right hand, piano sing kartana, he will be playing with two hands. What he's doing with the right hand, he is playing the melody, and the left hand is saying the chords. Chords similarly with the 3 points which are singing simultaneously notes to play kartavata. That gives harmony to the music. Similarly, simple harmony, compound harmony, group song. When one fellow is singing at south and some girl is singing at another overall, when you hear with your closed eyes and see, you get a very, very pleasant sensation. That is harmony. So Western music is based on harmony. Indian music is based on melody. This is essentially the difference. But overall, the fundamentals of music are the same for all the three. Music. So actually, I'm sorry that I will have to cut down my program for so many reasons. First of all, I'm not comfy with my keyboard coming on that. So I'm very sorry about it. But I prepared so much for this today's performance to give all the essential of the thought and rags and all that, how it's coming with the rhythm and to keyboard and take advantage. You can set for any music, any instrument, any tabla, anything, everything I can set. That's the instrument I got. So there's the advantage I could display it, but unfortunately it was not to be. It's all right. But I will essentially bring out the difference between a Indian difference that fixed swar monna we select one sir based on our requirement. Kali Panch sing or Ajay Sangta, Kali 6 Panchari. ये काली 4 अर्थ करता हूँ. भीमसेन जोशी sings at black 2. Paimam sings at black 1. Murlimam sings at black 2. It is left to you that once you establish the sa, then the Tar Saptak and Madhya Saptak and Mandra Saptak are established. So Western Antu, there are piano has got 7 scales, 7 octaves. Among 3 octaves kataji. And 7 octaves sometimes they use it. But that's for they have to bring about harmony. And so ultimately they bring out harmony. Ata Antubitar Kashmalari, Indian music antu, Pratyek Swara ka individual frequency 240 to 480. Harmonium antane piano antane Kashmalari. This is called the equal tempered scale. Equal tempered scale malari. At ya 240 dalari, ya 480. That much they keep 12 swazes. So 240, my 480 difference is 240. 240 divided by 12, 20. So 20 frequencies are 20, 240, yeah, 260, yeah, 280, yeah, 300, yeah, 320, 340, 480. 480 is 240 and 480, double. But this, for our brain perceives that as a same sound. That is why the beauty of octave is. Sa, 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 yakaj. Sa, sa. Don't need some on the brain perceive. That's why the octave principle is that much damage distribute. So the Indian music, these swaras are not exactly the same. Avatang Ray and Vachitana 240, 260, 280 data. The Indian system of prakara, what is called a natural intonation. Prakara, it becomes 270. For all practical purposes, हम यहाँ यूज कर निमित्त कीबोर्ड यूज कर निमित्त हार्मोनियम यूज है हार्मोनियम कीबोर्ड पूरा वेस्टर्न इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है. It is very easy to learn and easy to practice. And though the swaras are not very accurate, it serves a purpose accurately. Madam, you solve tolerance limits are there within our frequencies of our ear, what you can grasp. And another advantage is our kanche swars agalang the select kor data. Kind of circular next bar swar sa data. At hang the consulter hang the saregama padani sangatai. Hang the consulter angatai. That is what is the octave is. That is the advantage of using keyboard. So normally, Indian instrumentalists, they don't use a keyboard or harmonium and all, they don't encourage. Whereas even veteran musicians like Bhimsen Joshi or Pandit Jasraj or even Venkatesh Kumar or Godkind, whoever it is, you call it, everybody uses keyboard, your harmonium for accompaniment because it serves the purpose. Although it doesn't really accurately tell the Bhimsen Joshi sangile swar was but some swar kashas madari, yeah, re ni. Yeah, search Madhyachak Swaras, but the Raga and Dettha. He is able to sing, but the harmonist fellow plays the nearest one, that's all. That is the disadvantage of using harmonium. For about 30-40 years, All India Radio and the harmonium ban, total ban. You cannot use harmonium at all in All India Radio. But in sometimes in 1960s or 70s, it really because it becomes so popular. Everybody wants to use harmonium. So now keyboard. So now it has become a standard thing again. So it is allowed also officially. It can be used. Otherwise, this instrument is not meant for our Indian music at all. But for us to learn, anybody can learn. To make a keyboard, harmonium, within a matter of 15 days, you can attain some reasonable amount of proficiency in that. But with some year of music, you can easily learn. It's very easy. Even I have not got a guru for learning harmonium or keyboard. I have learned it all by myself. Now I almost reach a professional level. I can even give to a professionals. Parmeshwar Bhatt invite practice. Just for giving students how to practice. But I have seen that I can perform my keyboard very well. So that is just by practice only. Nothing by nobody has taught me. So something like you can also learn that. Similarly, once you learn this, and once you learn the fundamentals of ragas and how swaras are important, relative positioning of the swaras are important, how the importance given to one swara or another is important for various ragas, how it is going up and aro, kashvata, auro, kashvata, straight malakasana, vikrit malakasana, how uchchalan malakashi, alankar ke swara ke kashi alankar kor jata. These are the things which are my intention of this particular presentation is to generate interest in you to learn this music to that extent, so that you'll be able to appreciate music to that extent. Otherwise, आम्ही कशी ऐकतात, like this ऐकतात. There तुम्ही ते analyze करून ते appreciate करचे level living असतं. That is what I call is a technical or intellectual appreciation. The whole purpose of this program is for us to enable intellectual appreciation. So this I conclude my program at this point of time. If anybody has got specific doubts, I can doubt असलेली तुम्ही open करून सांगेत मला. I can, to the best of my ability, I will answer all the questions.
Thank you for such a nice talk. Yeah, it is just unfortunate that the whole music thing didn't work. We should do a repeat session, maybe in person, if our corona numbers start going down and you all have your shots and everything. So
actually, what I feel, more physical meeting would have this sort of technical glitch would not have been there.
Yeah.
So, actually, I don't know. I'm surprised. Last time I thought that it should be, if it can come with my voice, I thought music also should come. But for some reason, it's not. It's the audio issues. It's also an instrument product there. So maybe some issue because of that it is coming like that.
Yeah.
Maybe a physical meeting I can do more justice.
Yeah. I think we should do that. And it's
the only advantage of physical meeting more number of people you cannot I can explain what is the key and all that.
Right.
That is the disadvantage. One to be the advantage of time. But as far as the explaining ragas are concerned, is the physical would have been more appropriate.
Yeah.
Somehow I'm very sorry about it. Anyway, so you can, if anybody has got any doubts, you can come forward regarding not about Western and Carnatic anyway, but to use a Shakespearean language. It is not that I know more about Hindustani. It is just that I know less about Carnatic and Western. That's how it is. So otherwise, you can tell any doubt. Even Western also you can ask. Theory, I learned something theory about it, but I'm not practiced it. Same thing with Carnatic also. Paimam Paimam has to unmute himself. Paimam.
Hello, Umesh ma'am. काय ना आता तुम्ही त्यावेळी सांगलं ना तिकडं एनिमल्स वर अप्रिशिएट करताची म्हणून तशीची प्लांट्स वर अप्रिशिएट करता म्युझिक.
Wait. In fact, this was one of the research topics, if I remember correctly, but I'm not, somebody may correct it or not. Jagdish Chandra Bose, Kolkata, he did the research on this. Okay. Plants also, any animate, can appreciate music. Okay. Animal side, plant side, must be particular music the crop growing has been increased, or even flowers, they were experimented. It is possible also. Okay. Life so they can appreciate plants behave appropriately.
Okay, thank you.
So Umesh ma'am, Tugal theory prakar anybody can sing. Tugal, based on your experience and your theory, anybody can sing.
If you can't become a Tansen, you can at least become Kansen. I couldn't appreciate but you need to understand the intricacies. Indian music kitli sophisticated as you cannot imagine. You cannot, of course, problem Google cal mandalari. Music Mongalari, which is the first music song Monsanglari, you will be surprised to know the song which is coming is a Turkish song. 2000 BC Monsangta. And Amyal Ragvedaka to 2500 BC Pashimakshipane Vachinanchi. Whereas if you really go into depth of the as per the latest research, what I can find out, Rigveda may go on beyond 10,000 BC. As per the some Rama and Mahabharata star constellation study corno modern astronomy tally कोणताने IIT कानपुराचे प्रोफेसरांनी केलं रिसर्च केलं असं. It has come in somebody has sent YouTube on Kencha Patel. He proves that as per the star constellation which has been explained in Mahabharata and Ramayana comes to a period of 7,000 years, and Mahabharata, Ramayana comes to about 10,000 years. Obviously, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Purana, much before that. So you can presume that. But Western historians, 2,500 BC, and our people are not trying to get into our own details. We have been suppressed so much. To Google, information must be music, Indian music took bhari kashta. Nowadays only some realization is after Ali Akbar Khan and American, some realization is there. What are the intricacies? Ragmala kitli complicated as a kitli sophisticated as a the understanding of that person. But we are not able to understand. It is something very, very deep and sophisticated. Even Bhimsen Joshi is such a great, he's a Bharat Ratna. He says, I'm still an Indian music. But he says, I've not been able to scratch the surface of music. Which he can say that. What about lesser mortals like us? It's limited sophisticated. Even Antubita Dalari after Tani Samyad and use Kalasa. Chandogya Upanishad Sankasa. Even Tamil Nadu Paripatal Montangale Grantasa. Tantubita the music of Shamasta. These are all much younger. The first time written documentation of Suja, Nate Shastramon. Bharatamuni Montoy, Rishita, Bharatamuni. Bharatmaram Ramayana Bharat Neta, Bharatamuni. So Bharatamuni in research calendar Nati Shastra, Tantubita Ramgala, Sataswara, Octava, which are described. The concept of octave, which is the fundamental of music, which is called the miracle of music. And Bharat's time, if you Google Bharat, it varies between 500 BC to 500 AD, depending on somebody's requirement. And in my estimate, is much before even 500 BC, whatever it is. But if I took at the Western music, one of fundamental A square plus B square is called C square.
Pythagoras.
So Pythagoras is actually a philosopher. The musician, mathematician. Everybody knows Pythagoras by A square is equal to B plus B square equals C square. But he was a musician and he was a philosopher. He was a religious. He was taking a lot of interest in metaphysics also. So Tane. Western music, as I understand today, is mainly based on original Pythagorean syntax. Rule of fifth, rule of two, all this octave, principle, individual notes, Sarigama Padanis are developed. That Pythagorean principle developed that. Later, the frequencies are Hindustan in Kashmir, Shruti Kashkala Malatani, Patia Aikun, Kanchi like a sermon, Yaika, and identify. Documentation answer, even then they identify the 22 Shruti. Especially Tangle 12 schools also they identify similarly, which is very present for the formal rule of fifth Kimotanto, Pythagoras, based on harmonics. That is the fundamental of But later only in 19th century, keyboard invent keyboard and harmonium. Harmonium is a French instrument. And with an equal temperament, between one note and another note, equal frequency. It doesn't represent the correct voice, but it meets our purpose for all our normal purpose. But Amyan sophistication is much more than that. Amyan swaro, Komal Swar Amgalati Yakos Amgal Hindustani Prakar Komal Rishabh Mala Yakasta. Dalari Marwa Sanktan Komal Rishaba, Ani Purvi Sanktan Komal Rishaba. Those are two different things. Ek higher asta, ek lower asta. Antubita Komal Rishabanda Doni Shrutata. So higher Shruti is Kala Ekata, lower Shruti Ekala Ekata. So this sort of sophistication is possible for persons who are knowledgeable in music. Amkatai Kain Amkare Kum Shudani Komalam Yakashadista Masdanaka. Unless you learn something. But over the years, if you practice, you know that Re and Madhyan to ek Swarashta Puramandika idea. So these Tadikuno, instrumental म्युजिकाच्यान पळयल्यार तुमी त्या हार्मोनियम आनी कीबोर्डान लागेला आपणाचे बट तांकां एवरीथींग इंस्ट्रुमेंटल म्युजिकाक आसत म्हळ्यार एक सितार आसा सितार इज गॉट अ लॉंग स्ट्रिंग ताजी काडल्यार तशें तांकां ग्लायड करचें तांकां खंयची श्रुती खंयची रो हें जावं दे कॅन सिलेक्ट इट based on that it can tune it. Even Pythagoras, when he did all his experiments on music with the string instrument only, he does it. Like the rule of fifth, when he decides the string into two parts, for distribute that amount of prove karta. That's the Pythagorean principle. So Pythagoras is also one of the fathers of Western music. So that's how it is. But Indian music, आमगेल ऋषी मुनी भरत और पाणिनी और खंयचे आमगेल येताचे देर ऑल म्हळ्यार एक तांतू भितर एक मस्त रिसर्च करून तांणी डेव्हलप केला म्हणटा आमी ते अंडरस्टँड करचे काम आमगेलें तितलेची सो दॅट्स हाव इट इज
Nanmam, you had
yes
but ma'am आमी पोरा जन एक तानसेन नाही कानसेनाची जाल्यार इतले टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट आणि इतले इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट तुम्ही इतले सगळं होमवर्क करून घेऊन भारी एक चंदायरी सांगितलं आय थिंक यू आर मोर दॅन सक्सेसफुल सो आय कंग्रॅच्युलेट यू इन द बिगिनिंग फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम
थँक यू ॲक्च्युली thank you for your compliments but at the same time I should continue to be apologetic about my whole system failure
no that's how it will happen
this is all a learning exercise for me because I have come out of the closet as I said earlier for the first time and maybe in course of time I will also improve I never even thought that I can sing sing करायनी आमचे तुमच्या घरकडे काही जो पैमा ते काही जो दिवाळी वेळार एक दोन चार तुम्ही इन्सिस्ट केलं म्हणून सिंग शिवाय आय एम ऑलवेज हॅविंग द कॉम्प्लेक्स दॅट माय वॉइस इज नॉट सक्सेसफुल I don't sing I sing at a very low pitch
नाही
only when I got it from Jagjit Singh and some other way I realized that yes I can also sing. There is no harm in that as long as you are raised one. So whatever it is. So thank you very much for your compliments.
This is the positive side of the positive. This is the positive side. One of the gains in our own family during this Corona period. So we will have one more physical session whenever it is possible, so that we will learn more and we will try to distinguish between the ragas whenever we hear that. So one specific question I want to ask you. रसोत्पत्ती म्हणून मी कन्नडान तो ऐकलं रसोत्पत्ती म्हणून म्हळ्यार रसोत्पत्ती रस उत्पत्ती रस एक क्वेश्चन सांगता म्हळ्यार
रसोत्पत्ती म्हळ्यार दॅट इज द फंडामेंटल ऑफ रागा आता आमगेलो राग स्वराक स्वर म्हळ्यार कसं नाही म्हणून एक डेफिनेशन आसा स्वरा डेफिनेशनाक सांगता आय विल टेल यू देर आर 3 डेफिनेशन्स फॉर स्वरास very interesting. Ragaka Santa Kishmalari Ranjayate iti Ragaha. What pleases is Raga. So Kanchitani Amgal Rishi Muni research corno, the Ipatarus Yakata Shruyate iti Shruti, Ranjayate iti Raga, Swariate is Swara, which shines by itself is a Swara. Intimately it shines by itself. Taka swara ani taka aneka 3 definitions. I think I've kept it somewhere where they call it I'll santa swaryate iti swaraha म्हणतात swaryate म्हळ्यार shine that it shines by itself is swarga. Similarly swaryate rajate iti swara म्हळ्यार rajate म्हळ्यार it has got its own place established करता. That's what you say. अनेक म्हळ्यार स्वरंजयते iti swara म्हळ्यार it colors by itself. It gives a particular color. Swar ranjayate iti swara. त्या पुराय जावन स्वरा देखून राग करता कसं म्हळ्यार कशी राग कॉम्बिनेशन करता आमगेले तर 12 स्वर आसा कॉम्बिनेशन थियरिटिकल कण म्हण जाल्यार there are permutation combination of it comes to 1000 or 2000 or 10,000 it may come to. I don't know, I'm not very sure of that. But why not all are swaras? The combination has to be sweet to the ears, pleasant to listening. That's why it is Ranjayate iti raga. What pleases you is a raga. So that is rasa utpat happens because of Ranjani only. Correct aikunu आणि रसोत्पत्ती म्हणून सांगताच पडता कसं म्हणाले हांव सांगते टेक्निकल एप्रिसिएशन म्हणटा पळय and emotional expression that तुम्ही understand कोण करतना then you realize that and you say aha moment आता बीन संजोशील प्रोग्राम ऐकतना आम्ही काम केलं ऐकून ऐकताचे जाल्यार येद्र बशेन ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ संगीत शिकी आसाचे पंडित अर्थ गेले तांणी ताण त्या स्वर आलापन कोण त्या नमुने स्टाईल करून ताण येऊन त्या सम मारता ताण तबलो मारता त्या डै म्हणता तागेले स्वर येचस पळा त्याना येद्र वा 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 म्हळ्यार कसं that is rasvaspati. The particular time they enjoy that yes this is what it is. That is called as the aha moment. I think Akhila and Madhula will as a HR specialist always talk about. I just Shrikant Papa will also tell about that. It's called the aha moment. But I would say, oh, this is what it is. Oh. So that is the moment which is the rasa gets generated. So this is what we have to learn. Then that rasa utpanna is possible when you learn the intricacies of that. And that is the very purpose of my presentation, for you to give. Of course, it was not as successful as I thought I would be able to, but irrespective of that, the intention is to generate interest, to get that kind of understanding of music, so that that rasa is generated in you. And you can also sit in front of Praveen Godkandi or somebody, and you strikes the right note with the right thing and with the right, you can say, wow, 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 kya baat. So that happens because of that. That Karnataka and Winger style was like talam oriented. Pratyeklo sagle audience panna 100 janas mondare like 500 people will be doing like this.
Yes.
You must have seen that. Yes. Nothing wrong in that. Am kichike odd this that. There's no distraction. But what really happens is talak most important. Hindustani and Karnataka, Indian music and Western music are talam ti farak asa. Amyal tal purai cyclic. Malari ate kamyal teen tal banasa. Sol matra. Dadin din da, dadin tinta, dadin din da. The beam sensation te yakono. The dadin din da, dadin kono dha manet padta. Some moment that is the cyclical. Wapas number 1 sodata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclical. Western and the beats are continuous. That's also meter, that's also timing. Pratyek swara kitle time is 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/8 more timing in yes. There's also quite sophisticated. Jalari continuous and with a cyclic now. Amyal cyclic, and that generates interest.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Pada rasa utpatti jala ata tu ulle like kuno.
Ne, because intention meet understand konta siklari you will get advantage of it. One thing I can only suggest to you right now is the biggest advantage today what we have got is there are not thousands, I think maybe lakhs, I don't know how many. So YouTube atankalari. Whether it is Carnatic you are interested, whether Indian, Hindustani you are interested, or Western music you are interested, there are thousands and thousands of sites, tutorials, wonderful tutorials. Very like us, from most fundamental to, yeah. So you can go to YouTube and put the Hindustani music. Hindustani tutorial you will get all done. And with you can get all done. So you can relate to what I told today and then understand it better.
Thank you.
And you can learn it also.
Thank you. Sir.
And it's totally free also, except some paid channels as such, where you can take individual attention. But otherwise it's not required. For our purpose, free tutorials are amazing. Very like really good.
Thank you.
I think Anumai has the next question.
Yeah, Umesh ma'am, thank you. I don't think you should feel apologetic at all. You showed us your depth in Hindustani, Carnatic, and also Western music. I did want to make a comment about Amyahanga Western atmosphere Rabbuno and Megal Cheduan Western music Shikuno. One thing I noticed is Tu Sangilvari Hangachpada pura scientifically precise, and it's all precision based. Even Mozart, even though he died so young, every music and composition of his was scripted. Whereas when Ammigal Chadu Sannastana, India Gellarepala, it's always Kanmantachi, teacher to student, it's been passed on. So Ammigal Kitle Indian music sophisticated aslare, the written notes and inachi. So Miguel teacher and my instrument teacher was telling me, because the reason is because Ammigal music pura bhavantasa. Any music that Indians play and sing and talk about, it's all in bhava, and we cannot really write the bhavas. Whereas in the Western music, like you said, the melody is all set, the harmony is all set, the timing is all set, so people just can sing and they just stop. It's not at the West Indian music, it's more like jazz. Ek pakkani koni mooda rail malki, then that thing will go on for improvise, and that thing will just go on for a long time. Whereas Western music, the concert, if it is for, the symphony is for 20 minutes or something, it will not exceed more than 20.1 seconds because it is precise. So one of the things that I always felt was more Indian musicians, actually right now we do have notations, would write that so that then the next generation can actually see the notations and write, practice, you know. I mean, must
scorecards and Sudhita actually, to me, let me just reply to Anumay. See, you must, because you are in US, you must definitely listen to American Idol. Definitely you must have heard Lydian Nadaswaram. I think you must have heard it.
I can, but I wrote
now also,
it in my notes to
it's not too late. It is something amazing performance. Western, there's no problem at all. Tell us your idea about that Manodharma, the creativity and all that. Amgal anta church maladi chante doubt na ita maladi. Indian anto written documentation is another issue. Amgal Veda kala dokon kasala maladi. There is a Shruti and there is a Smriti. Malai I kunai chala se bor na chala. Donni namane che pass on the information asta. But after the earliest Amgal Hindustani into record kala maladi documentation. Ek Bhat Kande monasa. Vishnu Narayan Bhat Kande monasa. He has written 5 books. This is supposed to be an authority. I can show you just how it is looks like.
Then book Amgal asa Panchai.
We bought that.
So in 19th century, he did that, developed that. Amgal Western music and Indian music main difference kasamalari. Amgal Indian music has solve individual creativity and freedom.
Yes.
Western music and it is written by what is called a sheet music. Staff notation down, 5 lines, 5 lines, mark or no. But that is a requirement. The requirement their music is based on harmony. Harmony there are several musicians who are singing or playing simultaneously. So to follow it is simply not possible. So whereas it is the sophistication lies in composing the music. That is where the greatness of Beethoven and Mozart come into picture. They are all geniuses. What is amazing music? Lydian Nadaswaram, even now, it's some time I hear is Moonlight Sonata. It is simply mesmerizing. The way he plays. Only some 2-3 minutes. They have got several lines. About 10 minutes. It is about 3 minutes. And he gets selected for $1 million. It is something the judges said that you should have seen the judges' reaction for his singing. The Indian Ankasa Madari, but that also he follows what is Beethoven Ankasa Barala. That he just plays it. He plays. Indian Ankasa Madara Kasane is fixed Kasalena. Swaradilatan Sat Rag Bambagya Chirmal Kasalamon. That's the rules Kasasa. You have to tell rest how you explore. It is your responsibility, your creativity.
Yes.
That is why Bim Senjashil to Ajaika, Ayaika, entirely different. Every musician, he can any number of performances. I performance, is independent. But all are correct, all are creative. That is the beauty of Indian music.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
Okay, I think I've taken too much time. Sorry, Akila. I think you can appropriately conclude if it suits you.
No, I think that's fine. We anyway had some time for questions, so we are in that section now. So if anybody else has any questions, we can.
Any question?
Kishore, we can.
Got any question
in the session?
Kishore Kamath is my brother-in-law. Vidyal Bammudu.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Kritika sir. Siddhanta my grandson Siddhanta.
Kritika is my sister-in-law, Ganesh's sister.
Siddhanta plays keyboard and he also plays
drums.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
And what he put in the chat, he said, "Hi, Gerald." That is his name for Ganesh. So instead of Ganesh, he comes up with interesting names for me and Ganesh every time. So Gerald is one of those.
I thought it was a wrong chat, you know. I thought simultaneously dusra kadan kan ki as chalta rasa mano.
Sorry about that. Taka uloka kai Mridula lagi ani Ganesh ala. Magi rula yara meri. Presentation chalta sa. Mon home ada, team ada, mon pura nimgita sa. So that
no, it was very nice, very nice, very nice.
Siddhant, you can recognize Kishore Ajja.
Yeah. Hi, Kishore Ajja. So Kishore Ajja naam Kishore Ajja ke.
So don't introduce us.
I was telling about the Bhatkande book.
Amge te as
the Panche book igel Bhavan Pet on
Dilan. Sir, 5 book. This is the authority as far as he is the person who has documented Hindustani music. So this will be used. If anybody wants, I can give it.
But still, it is not equivalent to scorecard.
Yeah.
Music theory and
yeah.
There are scorecards in Indian music.
Indian music score asana. Not all the scores are there, like for Hindustani and all that. Books in Achi.
For example, Janaganaman Sikha Korkamundalari. Tanto Attaswa. Why food Nashil? Icon and Magiri play Korkapat.
Nene, that is what Bhatkande has done. At Bhatkandana, this is what is the music score. Notation. Wire daughters like tar circle daughters like pure slash. So all everything is pakka. The documentation is universally followed in India. India Gandharu Mahavidyalaya they standardize on this. Final exam is based on this particular So everybody follows now Bhatkande system in India.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Pakka documentation is available.
Excellent. Any questions, Aski? Any
ask
questions?
Siddhant to ask questions. Tawal lagun ulo chasil na. Atte tagalat janimgu.
Mute arasat to me, Sunil.
Oh yeah, we can't hear.
I know.
Mute. Oh.
Ask Ajja for questions. Is there do you want to ask questions to Ajja?
CD, do you have any questions for Ajja?
No. Hi, Ajja.
Hi.
Hi, Ajja.
Okay, awesome. So I think it's about time we end the session. Thank you very much, Mama, for a very knowledgeable and encouraging and music-filled session today. I think we all gained a little bit from where we are now to continue to experience and enjoy music in our future. Amgel kasan thode knowledge shilki ate tak thode add jalla tumgel nimiti. So we thank you for that, and thank you for going through all of the those difficulties of setting the keyboard and testing and all of that. That shows your passion to give a good session and passion towards the subject that you chose today. So thank you very much, and we'll see you again next time.
Yeah, and we definitely host another session to go through this in detail and things like that. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
awesome.
Everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.